welcome back to our live stream. This is Stephanie. So it's so good as always to have all of you guys here and to do the live stream. And how are you guys doing lately? I wish you've already had your breakfast, lunch, or supper. So how many of our friends are in our live stream now? Hi, Shane. Hi, Tony. Hi, Clint. Hi, Bradley. Oh. Hello. So I hope you didn't find it a little strange today because there is only me and there is a special guest here. Where is Adam? So unfortunately, Adam, because of the coronavirus, he was locked down at his home. But I'm sure he is in our live stream now, and he maybe have some interaction with you guys in the comment area. Okay, so let's hope that we will see him until our next live stream. Okay, so this is our special guest today. This is our product manager. So why don't you make a self-introduction to our friends?
Hello, I'm Well. I'm the engineer who developed the 3D scanner.
Yes. So all of the scanners in our brand, 3DMakerPro, has been designed and invented by our engineer and his team, right?
Yes.
So shout out for Well. So welcome to our live stream. So in today's live stream, a little bit difference in our today's live stream is gonna be the backdrop, right? So it's different from what we've used to be because guess where we are today? Guess where we are today? You can leave your comments in the comment area. Oh, they are care about Adam. No, Adam is fine. Okay, so actually today we are doing the live stream in our factory, but I think you've already noticed that there is a huge table behind us. There are some product materials out there lying on the table, and also there are some machines out there in our factory. So in today's live stream, we will give you a tour around of our factory, and apart from that, we will tell you how your products manufacturing proceeds, and also explain to you what is the exact time that we will ship your scanner and about the shipping time and delivery time. Okay. Apart from that, in today's live stream, we will talk about the codes because actually in our last live stream we have already explained the working logic of the codes, right? But I've noticed that some of our friends happen not to use the code because of the code email came in delay. So today we will make an official announcement for the solution for this kind of issue for you guys. Okay, and then like usual, there will also be a scanning demonstration for you guys, as I see that a lot of friends in our group are requiring to see more scanning demonstration on the automotive parts and automotive vehicles. So today we will give you a scanning demonstration with a motorbike. I'm not sure if you can see, it's right here. So later our product manager will do the scanning demonstration for you guys. You can check out its scanning capabilities, okay? And in the end, there will also be 10 minutes specifically for you guys to ask any questions you want. We will try our best to give our answers to you, okay? So now let's cut right to the chase. As for the products manufacturing, as you can see, we've got all of the product materials here. So basically, now we have already made yes, as well is showing you. This is a metal case of the Well scanner, right? So basically we've made fully preparation for the product's materials. So the next step is that we're gonna start the mass production of the whale scanner, right? So, and about the shipping time, the first batch of the scanner will be shipped out after you 30 days after you place your actual order, right?
Right.
Yes, and it's gonna be at the end of this month. As for the shipping time and the international shipping, it depends on where you are located. It's gonna take 2 to 4 weeks to ship the scanners.
Yes.
Right. So maybe at the end of next month, some of you guys may receive your whale scanner, right?
Right.
So we really hope you can receive this scanner as soon as possible and see you guys' feedbacks on our products. Okay, so this is about the products manufacturing proceedings and the shipping time. As for the codes, I want to ask some questions for you guys. That how many of you have successfully used the code for the coupon discount? How many of you have? Later.
Okay.
So, if you have successfully used the coupon, you can leave your comments in the area, because actually I've seen some of our friends happen not to use the coupon, right? So for this kind of issue, we just want to say that you don't have to worry about it. If you happen not to use the coupon because of the mail come-in delay, you can just send Stephanie or Adam some private messages where you can post in our official launch group to let us know. We will give you a refund of the coupon number, right? So you don't have to worry about you have missed $100, right? So this is about the coupon code, and I'm not sure if you have noticed that in our group there might be some confusion, right? So some of people said, oh, why you send every people the same code? That means the people who didn't join the deposit event can get the coupon to get the discount. It's not fair, right? But the thing is that only the people who have joined our deposit event can get or use our $100 coupon, right? And if you didn't join the event, even if you get the code, it's not gonna be valid. Sorry for that. So we do have a complete system for the coupon running, right?
Yes.
So you don't have to worry about it. So it's fair for everyone. So we really appreciate your attention and your trust, right? So
Right.
This is about the codes. Do you have any questions about that? I was not able to use the code on my purchase. Hello, Ron. Like I said before, if you happen not use the coupon code, you can just let me and Adam know to send us messages after we check that you are eligible. You have joined our deposit event. We will give you a coupon refund of the $100. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So this is about the code. Do you guys have any other questions? I did with the help of the customer service. Yeah, glad you made it. Okay. So, and this is all about the code, right?
Yes.
And actually, do you know today is a special day in China because it's
Shopping
double
day.
11. Yeah, shopping day. So in China, every year in this day there will be a huge shopping event for all of us.
Like Friday.
Yeah, like Black Friday in overseas, right?
Yes.
So you guys can receive a lot of shopping coupons from different platforms. So Well, have you bought anything
Yeah.
for the Double 11s?
Yes.
Actually, Stephanie has spent quite a lot of money on that, and I totally can understand you guys that happen not to use the coupon, because I'm the kind of person who tend to collect all of the coupons together and use it to save myself some money. So I totally can understand you, okay? And the next part for today's live stream is going to be a demonstration,
Yes.
right, from our product manager. So today we are going to scan a motorbike here. So could you guys spare us some time? We're going to connect all the devices. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. We're going to get our scanner connected,
Turn on the
powered
camera.
on. Hmm?
Turn the camera.
Camera?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. I have to switch the angle of the camera to let you guys see the motorbike right here. Well, it's quite a large sized object, right? So, before we do the scanning demonstration, I want to let our friends see. Actually, we've done some optimization about the
Yes.
flashlight panel, right? I'm not sure, have you guys noticed that before we when we release this scanner, the flashlight panel is white, right? And
Yes.
now we have made some optimization, it turns black.
Yeah.
So the reason,
Yes, we use the black panel. NIR well better than before.
yes. So we made it a black panel. So the reason why we do this is that we have upgraded the optical system. So the transmission rate of the near infrared light will gonna
Yes,
be
NIR
improved.
light.
NIR light
Yes.
will be improved, right? So we just want to let you know that every minute, every second, our development team is making efforts to to improve our scanner. We hope that when you receive the scanner, it's gonna be a kind of product of better quality, of good quality. So standing here, I'm gonna shout out for our development team. Okay, thank you. So now we can get the scanner connected to the computer. Okay, now we're gonna go into the page of our another computer, the main screen. All right. Oh. I think the image here is not right.
Okay.
No. Here, about here.
Yeah.
It's not us right now. So I want to ask you guys that what is the most satisfying scanned model that you have done? What is your most satisfactory model or work that you have done before? We can't hear you properly. Oh, David. Okay, so I have to speak louder. Is this better? I think the microphone is not so close to me. I think that's the reason. Bradley said in the UK it's a special day as well. It's the day we remember the fallen soldiers. Wow, the fallen soldiers. So, okay. Fallen soldiers. So we wish them all the best. Okay, I'm not quite sure I know this day. What is the exact day that you're gonna be doing? So please spare us some minutes. We are getting the scanner connected to the computer. So now this is the software page. So first we are gonna adjust the brightness to a great level. And because there are so many textures on the motorbike, so you have to switch the scan mode into texture to generate better results. And the work mode now is far. So first we will scan the whole construction of the motorbike. So I think a lot of you guys have been really interested in the automotive parts scanning, because you're probably gonna do a refitting job like Tony have told me before, right? Tony, we are scanning a motorbike today. Okay. So if the track is lost, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to move it to your previously scanned area and continue your scan. So now we are activating the big micro to do the scanning. Yes, so now we finished the scan. It's gonna take a while to do the rebooting. Okay. So it's gonna take a few while. Have you guys done the scanning work lately? What is your most favorite scan object these days? I used 3D scanning on the cockpit of the F-14 when replicating the interior for the jet on the film Top Gun Maverick. I see the word jet. I think it's gonna be a cool object. I'm not quite sure what is it, but I think it's gonna be cool. Hi guys, sorry I'm late. Hello Kev, you're not late. We just start and we just finished the scanning. Yeah, so now we finished the first step of our scanning. Later we will do an append, right?
Yes, the data processing.
Yes. Now it's going through the data processing. So because it's a large sized object, so it's gonna take a few moments, right? Fusion. Okay. So we finished the scanning, so you can check it out, the results. Yes, it's quite good, right?
Yes, I use far model.
Yeah, you use the far mode, the work mode, right?
Yes, work mode.
So now we are gonna use the near mode, right?
And scan the central panel.
Yes. So now we are gonna scan the central controller panel of the motorbike, right?
Right. Now I switch the work mode.
Yeah, switch the work mode into near. Now the small core is functioning now because there are quite a lot of details. So we should use the small core to capture its finest details. This is the central controller panel of the motorbike. If it's the right name, because I'm not sure if it's the right name for a motorbike. Yes, as you can see, the handle and the most part of it has been scanned and captured well. You make it look so easy. Thank you, Clint. I think you are quite experienced with scanning too, right? I still can't believe how
far?
How far this thing is? How far? What do you mean? I can't quite see the comments. Oh.
How fast?
Oh, dashboard. It's a dashboard. Thank you, my teacher, Tony. I've learned another word, English word. Thank you. Fast. Oh, I see that, how fast this thing is. Thank you. I just can't see the word complete word because of the screen. Okay, so now it's going through processing. We just finished the dashboard scanning, right? So you can check it out, the results right at this moment.
It's more
Whoa.
details.
Yeah, you can see more details on this part.
And then the panel is black.
Panel?
Yes. The color is black.
Yes, our product manager just said that the motorbike, the dashboard is black. So I can say that the scanner really did a good job because of its color, right?
Yes.
Most of the scanners can't do the black object scanning.
Black also is difficult.
Yes, it's difficult. So you can check it out, the details. Yes, so that's all about our demonstration today, right?
Right.
Okay. So how do you think of our today's demonstration? So let's switch the. Oh, you want them to see the motorbike? Yes.
And see
See the dashboard. I think they can see it.
It's black.
They can see it. Yeah, it's black. Our product manager want you to have a whole view of the motorbike. It's quite large. Yes, so now shall we continue? So first let's go back to our seat. Okay. So let's put the scanner back to its place. And back to our screen. Oh, it's lagging here. Refresh it. Now we have it. Okay, so we just done the demonstration today. So, okay. Tony said awesome results. Thank you. Yes. Shine said, how would you add multiple scans together? Oh, Shine, if you finished your scan, you can enter into the edit mode, right?
Yes.
You can align your different scans together into a complete model. And then you can go into the processing and get a fusion data of the 3D model, and you can export it.
We use grammetry and texture to align the two or align them two or more 3D models.
Yes. You mean the geometry and texture on the object,
Yes.
right? To get a good alignment of them. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the demonstration for today. So, and also in today's live stream, we will give our friends a tour around our factory, right?
Okay.
Okay. Pedro, can we see the last scan of the dashboard? Zoom in. I think we just zoom in it, right?
Yes.
Maybe you can see our video after we ended. We just zoom in the model, have we?
Okay.
Sorry, I think you kind of missed that. Okay, so now shall we take a tour of the whole factory?
Okay.
Yes. Now we are gonna use the camera to let you guys.
把刚才那个打开，再给他们看一下。
那个
模型。
Do we still have the model here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So our product manager said he can show you the model once again. Okay.
Yes.
So now we are gonna zoom in the model. Yeah. Now, hi Pedro, have you seen that? We just zoom in the model here. This is the dashboard scan. So you can use all different modes in one scan. Oh. Bradley, I think you have to choose whether you choose if you're gonna you choose between geometry or texture before you do the scan, right?
You can scan more scanners to different pose.
Different postures,
yes.
Right? So because if you have an object with a lot of details and textures, you can choose texture before you do the scan. But if you're gonna scan other parts of it, you can switch into the geometry and scan the elsewhere, and then align them together.
Yes.
Right. So, okay, let's show them around.
Okay.
Are you guys interested in what it's gonna look like of our factory? I think you've got quite I think you can see them just behind us. It's quite a large room here. It's one of the workshops in our factory. Oh, so now, as you can see, there is a large table, and we have set up a lot of products materials here, including the metal case. Oh, okay, that's right. Including the metal case and the circuit boards. Yes, all of the products materials have been prepared well now currently. Okay, and also if we move further, you can see some of the calibration machines out there. So I think you must know that before you put your scanner into use. Oh, I think I didn't move here later. So we're gonna do a refresh. Okay, so show them the calibration machines there. Yes, so I just said that before you put your scanner into use, you have to do the calibration job, right? But in the 3D scanner markets, some of the scanners have required us to do the calibration by ourselves, and with the calibration board or something like that. But actually, 3DMakerPro have designed fully automatic high precision optical calibration system by ourselves. So you don't have to do the calibration by yourself because we've already done a job for you. So you just have to import the calib file, then you can get your scanning started. So basically we've got 50 calibration machines in our factory with the calibration capacity of over 10,000 units of scanners in 1 month. That's a very huge amount, right? So there is one machine is working, right?
Check the network.
Check the network.
Yes.
I think that one is. Do you have to show them that one? 怎么办？
要不然我们出不了。
啊。OK。
在上面。
但是有点卡耶。完了，没画面了。Hello, we are here. We just switched the network. 好像没有画面了耶。OK， 看一下他们能看到我们吗？看一下他们这里。So, hello, hi. So let's show them the calibration machines here. I'm gonna hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's move it closer. Move it closer to this calibration machines here. Yes. It's working now. Yes, this is one of the calibration machines here. Okay. Now, we just need to click the start button. Then it's automatically working now. Do the calibration job by itself. Can you hear the sound of the machine? Yeah. Just finished the first round of the calibration, right? Okay, shall we move into another room? So, now this is one of the workshop of our factory. Now, let's move on and leave for another workshop to let you guys see what it's gonna look like. But be careful, be careful. Yes. Okay, let's move on. Noise. Okay, so you guys can check it out. Okay. Okay. So let's go. It's not very stable because of the cable. Okay. Now this is another workshop. This is another workshop in our factory, and in this room there are quite a lot of finished products out there, and there are some shelves here Now, on this shelf, this is one of the scanners that we have invented in last few years. Now, I'm gonna show you right here. Yes. Okay. There are quite a lot of shelves here, and there are also 2 shelves here. This is another kind of scanners that we've been doing in a few years. In this few years, it's called Magic Swift Plus. I'm sure you have known it on our official website. It's all black, very elegant color. Yes. So they are waiting to be tested, right? Okay. Yep. So now we finished the tour. Let's go back to our seat, okay? Yes. Okay, be careful. And there are quite a lot of boxes here filled with the product materials or the scanners ready to be shipped out to our users across the board. Okay, now we have to move slowly because we've got a lot of devices here. Okay, you can have a huge view of our factory. Yes, now let's go back to our live stream. Ooh, it's so noisy. Okay, so shall we sit down? And go back here. Now, so we finished the tool. Okay. Okay, now we're back. Now, first, let's sit down. Okay, so now we have the tour around our factory and show you guys the scanners that we have invented in the last few years. The reason why we're doing this is that we really want you guys to have faith in us. That where I am? Oh, here. We really want you guys to have faith in us because you maybe think that is 3DMakerPro a brick and mortar company? Have I invested my money into an imaginary thing? That's not true. We are a company that's already existed and have existed so many years. So thank you for your trust, and we hope that you can have more faith in us, and we will make more scanners with good quality for you guys. Yes. Right? Yes. So let's read some comments. Okay. Paddle said, please do. I'm waiting on that to buy the scanner. Oh, Pedro, have you made purchase of the well scanner, or are you looking forward to other scanners from us? Okay, I'm not quite get that. So this is all about our tool today.
Yes.
So do you guys have any other questions for us? Because we almost gonna finish our live stream today, right?
Right.
So let's read. Is there any other comments out there? Okay. I'm interested in mainly scanning people and busts their faces. Does it work okay? Do a scan of this and add it to a Sketchfab. Pedro, the well scanner can absolutely scan the face, and also we use the NIR light.
Yes,
So,
light.
So it won't hurt your eyes, right?
Right.
And you can show them the models. So guess who is here? This is Stephanie. This is the scan, the 3D. This is the yes. This is the model that has been scanned by Well, and we've printed it out, right?
Yes.
You can see my face is here, and my eyes is okay now.
Yes, we will update the scanning data in Sketchfab.
Yes, we do well added to a Sketchfab.
Yes.
Yes. So the answer is absolutely yes. Okay. I know the questions. I have thank you for the great live stream as always. Thank you, Cav. We are so happy to have all of you guys here to do the live stream. And okay. No. Great stream as always. Pleasure to see and meet you. Thank you, Clint. So nice to see you here. Clint has always been here, right?
Yes,
every time, every live stream that we have done. Okay, so shall we call it a day? Do you guys have any other questions? Okay, Bradley said it's a great live. Great to see your facility as well. Being great seeing you, and hope to see Adam. Okay, I'm sure Adam will be here. Okay, and so this is the end of our live stream today. So
yes.
If you have any other contents that you wish us to present in our next live stream, you can leave us any messages where you can post in our group to let us know. Okay, so now let's say goodbye.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Love ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes. Okay.